Okay, guys, and this will be the end to chapter 11, section 6. And this is going to focus on shading the area in between. Now, in this class, we'll also focus on finding the area in between probabilities. If the shading is in between, find the probability for both z-scores and then find the range of those probabilities. The bigger value minus the smaller value. Okay. Let's find the area under the standard normal distribution curve between z equals 1.62 and z equals to negative 1.35. Let's find the probabilities to both of those. Find a probability to the larger z-score first. Z equals to 1.62. Then let's find the probability z equals to negative 1.35. And once again, it is in between. So when we find the probabilities, we subtract the bigger probability and the smaller probability. 1.62. Change the color up here. 1.6 is right here. Go down to 2. That is 0.9474. Over to negative 1.35, negative 1.3. The 5 is there. Scroll up a little bit. That is going to be 0.0885. Because the area is in between, you must then subtract the bigger minus the smaller. So the probability that our area is between the z-scores of negative 1.35 and 1.62 is going to equal to 0.9474 minus 0.0885. Let's see what we get. 0.9474 minus 0.0885. 0.8589. That is the answer in this case. Let's do another one. Between z equals to 0 and z equals 0.73. And it's between those two z-scores. So once again, find the probability of each. Find the probability of the bigger one first. The probability that z equals to 0.73. Then the probability that z equals to 0. I'm going to put 0.00 at the end only because if you notice, the z-scores have the two numbers after the decimal. So the probability that z is equal to 0.73. So that's 0.7. Go over to 3. That is going to be 0.7673. Oops, what happened here? And the probability that z is equal to 0 or 0.00 is right there, 0.5000. So to find the probability, I'm just going to subtract them. And when I subtract it, it is going to be 0.2673. And that is the answer for in between shading, between z equals 0 and z equals to 0.73. All right, guys, that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it made sense. I will see you guys soon. Take care.